Web3 TV.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interview at the VC Connect by Agora Group. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Belinda from Sharding Capital. Belinda, how are you doing today?
Doing very well. Hi, thank you, everyone.
Thanks for being on the show. We are here to educate, and we are here at a VC Connect event, so we want to know more about what you're building. What brings you here today?
So I am the founder of Sharding Capital. We are an early-stage Web3 fund based out of Dubai. We are positioned to be a fund based out of Middle East and then help portfolio project open doors here in the region. Yeah, and then also we have quite a good connection in the Asian market. So we help portfolio project a lot with go-to-market strategies in these key regions.
Very nice. I'm curious to know, what is your trading strategy or your ability to explore and find new projects and decide to invest in them? Do you have a strategy that you can share?
Yeah, so we don't have a trading strategy per se because we are VC fund, at least in fund one. So we invest into early stage projects. But because all of our team members come from a marketing background, most of us are marketing veterans in the Web3 space. So we understand marketing is the name of a game in this market. So we will look at projects that have decent marketing traction or founders who are crypto native who understand how to build community and have that vibes that can really make it. So
I love how you said vibes. I love it because we don't use the terms that we use here in Web3 is so different to TradFi.
You need to have that risk, you know, to win like retails or traders in the Web3 market.
That's true.
Yeah.
They're really changing the game. The way the market is at Web3 compared to TradFi is really different. Now, when it comes to the marketing, like you said, marketing is the name of the game. So you look at community size, Discord. What kind of things do you look at?
So we look at early stage. So some of the numbers, the channels you mentioned, don't really have that data yet because we look at early stage. But we mainly look at founders, like if they are active in communicating with their basically audience, like their users. If they also work with other founders in the same space to get the word out. So it's very key that founders understand it's a very collaborative space. In nature, you need to work with other founders. So we have this, we're all going to make it vibes. So we need to look at founders who are willing to talk with their users, their community, and then you have like a strong community later on. People who want to be your ambassador, people who evangelize your product. That's how some of the best protocols, like platforms that have been performing, like Hyperliquid, they look at their users, they pay attention to their feedback, and they treat everyone fairly. And they interact with their community a lot.
Right. And are you able to tell a good project from a bad project?
Yeah, there are certain metrics. You look at the founder, and you look at the way they interact with their community, how fast they respond to a Discord ticket, and how often founders are talking with their community members, for example, on Twitter, on Discord, in Telegram chats. And then just in general, like you look at the verticals they're building, if it's a vertical we're bullish on, we will pay more attention. But if it's a vertical that we already think that are going to make it, then we don't. So it really depends on which vertical they're building, who the founders are, what their background is, and then do they have enough recipe to make it?
Got it. Okay, very cool. Well, for those who are watching, where can they find more information about your project if they're interested?
So we're quite active in the region. They can go to our Twitter account, Sharding Capital. We also have an event that we host every year. It's called Shard Dubai Summit, where we gather founders, capital allocators to come together and discuss different narratives. So this year, our core focus is the intersection of crypto and AI. And then we also have DeFi, stablecoin, RWA discussions. And then we also gather VCs to talk about the trends they are looking at these days. Their plans, now that the market is very tough for VCs. And then we also invited liquid funds, and they will share their methodologies in how to navigate this volatile and dynamic market.
That's great.
Yeah, so it's on May 3rd, so feel free to join us.
Okay, May 3rd. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Belinda's profile. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Web3.tv.